How to share a tweet post on Twitter to WhatsApp directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any post or tweet on Twitter to WhatsApp directly. So all what you have to do is go to Twitter and choose the tweet that you want to share. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Now all what you have to do is click here and search for WhatsApp right here. If you didn't find it here, just swipe right and you will find it. Then click on WhatsApp and choose the person that you want to send it to, and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.